Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am reviewing some burgundy hair. So if you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and Lego. So today I'm reviewing Zury Sis. It is the CF Fit H in the style Fenty in the color SOM Burgundy. So I got this unit from Wig Types and it ranges on their website for about $25. All the information to that is listed below. When I picked out this color, I'm going to attach in a screenshot, but it looked more like an ombre color. So that's what I thought I was getting. I thought I was getting like the dark 1B roots and into this color down here. Yeah, I have reviewed a few other burgundy units on my channel before, so if you haven't, make sure you guys check those out. But I do really like this color. I just wish I would have known that I was getting the entire wig, you know, burgundy and not an ombre color. So this is what the card looks like. And it has some washing instructions back here. And it does have some sisters to this collection. And the good thing about this unit is that it has a drawstring. So if you guys were watching earlier when I took the wig out the packaging and everything, it does have a really nice elastic band that's adjustable back there, but it also has a drawstring in the back as well, and that's something new to these units. I do feel like these companies are getting like super creative to catering to us. I do feel like they watch our videos and they take our opinions and they are getting creative and they are listening. So I really like that they have the drawstring back there. Sometimes those adjustable straps are a little annoying. Sometimes with wigs they don't even go through the loop. It might be like a sewing malfunction or something like that, but yeah, I do think that that's a pretty cool idea for the drawstring in the back. This cap size is big head friendly, so I will say that. It does sit a little bit above my ear, just a tad. But this is actually a lace part wig, not a lace front wig. So it's a lace part. So usually with lace parts, you have to cut a little triangle right here in the middle. I'm not gonna lie, I did struggle a little bit with mine because usually if I cut the triangle, I have my real hair to like blend in with or play with as far as like a little bit of leave out. But with this, I did cut a tad bit of baby hairs right here in the middle, and I did have to use my Got To Be Glued blasting spray to hold these little sides down to make it look like it was coming out of my scalp. And I even used a little bit of my eyeshadow. I used a little bit of my eyeshadow at the roots because it's still just, you could see the line of demarcation. You can see the wig outline. So, you know, I'm getting creative out here, y'all. Yes, I am getting creative. I think I did pretty good. Finally. But I have not experienced any shedding. Only when I cut this part there was like a little bit of shedding in the front. I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding with this unit as of yet. Oh, here's a little tangle, just a tad. Let's see. Okay, so yes, this unit is on the thinner side. It does feel like there's a nice amount of hair. It's just bone straight and it's kind of shorter, so I don't know. I would probably go through with a flat iron and just make this bone straight. There is like a little bit of a curl that, you know, that's kind of going under, but I don't really like it. So if anything, I would probably just make this bone straight with my flat iron. But I am feeling this color. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so there is some tangling. These synthetic wigs, I sometimes don't like them. They just don't last. But it is laying very sleekly, so I do like that, nice and sleek. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was super quick, easy, and straight to the point. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you want to support a girl. It's free to hit that subscribe button. That's all you have to do, and then maybe watch a video every time I post. It's like I'm just playing, but no, seriously. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.